Hello friends, how are you? As you know, we are learning here how to design CV in WordPress. So here is a demo of that CV. Simple, very much. Here is a resume, the details of your education, your programming or animation or graphics. Detail how much knowledge you having on that. The graph is coming over here, and then some of the your information will or other you, if you have any internship or experience, you can mention here. The portfolio will come here, like you can change the image from the backend, and you can change this all the images. So this all are the images, like you can jump from here also. So categories wise you can also sort out that. So a lot of images you can mention here. If you compress your image, it will be open very fast, and once you can click on that images, you can find that all the images here. So this is, and again the downside, you will find the video profile. All are the videos here. So these videos automatically come from your channel. If you have some your portfolio videos on your YouTube channel, the channel will come here. If you click on this buttons, and it will run very fast. So this great one. So if you're having some wonderful presentation, portfolio presentation, you can upload here. And if you having some of your, if you work freelance or something, or if you having some reference or testimonial, you can insert here. And this is the get contact, means your address or your map will be came here, like your home address something, and your phone number, contact number, your email. And if you having some other contact profile or online profile, you can mention here. So this is a wonderful responsive uh, web template. So suppose this one, it will look like this in a cell phone, and it will look like this in like tab. So it's a very responsive, wonderful CV. So if you attend the classes properly, you will find this all the things. And let me know how to change this all the things. So here my channels, you know this my channels, and this my videos. So using some of the Google code or some of the YouTube code, I upload this all the channels here automatically, not by one. So this is a good thing. Second one, and this is the backend. Suppose if anyone want to change anything, all pages, and this all layout, and this is a testimonial, and again this contact number. So a lot of things are here. You will find some save templates also, appearance. So all the function we can learn from here. This called backend WordPress. And again I will give you the CV. This is the PPT presentation I have made for you. So starting to end, whatever we will learn, like profile, contact, qualification, experience, skill, YouTube simple gallery, contact form, free hosting, server domain, and how to create the video galleries, one different session. So this all PPT, all the things are mentioned here, and I will provide you this PPT. Like day, this is a 3 days session mostly. So day one we will learn this, how to install the WordPress, what is the overview, what are the tags, what are the link. And second one, after second days we can install the themes. And themes I will tell you, this is the package. If you click on this button, you can download all the themes. Like this is called theme, this is called design. Okay, so the plugin and themes you will design to click on this. Either you can copy paste this link into the this one. Once you can hold down, once you can click on this button, it will be out download. Otherwise you can copy paste this thing. And also in this session I will describe you, so what are the benefit of free hosting, and what are the benefit of paid hosting also. So here is some chart I have made for you about some. In the last slide you will find something about me. And again I have created, like, how to change this image, how to change the name. You can find this very easily profile. You have to click on the page, then you have to click on the edit with Elementor, and then so everything is very much proper mentioned here. Like how to change the images, like if you want to change this profile image, how to change it. then how to change the name and everything, then how to change the grade video gallery, and how to create the video gallery, like this one, all the part. First click on there, second click, then third, then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So it's not a technical part. As you see in my ppt, there is no text. So this all thing, all play is depend on the click, so don't worry, you will learn that. Then we require one Google API key also. It's a little bit development part, but I will tell you in a very free and simple language so that you can upload this gallery. And we require the YouTube channel of every student so that you can upload the video, and this is called YouTube ID. So here's about me, something about me. My email is ID mentioned here. So very soon we will meet and we will learn this wonderful session of all the class, CV, online CV. And after making companies this all the CV, you can send this CV, copy paste this URL to anybody, and they can find their profile. And if your profile is you match by their requirement, they will contact you using this contact form, this. So everything is wonderful. So very soon we will start the class. Thank you so much, take care.